I have like 5 minutes to get ready. I didn't give myself very much time, so. I can't decide if I want to do makeup or not. Do I want to take it off later? A little bit of water goes a long way. Okay. I'm getting my hair cut tomorrow. I'm scared. I love this stuff. It works so good. Whoops. Sundays are like the one day I do makeup.
Yes.
I'm bringing a change of clothes because I'm going to a bridal shower. I don't know if I should wear white. I thought my AC broke yesterday, but now it sounds completely normal. So I'm going early because I sing on the worship team at church, and what I usually do on my drive is listen through all the songs so I can practice them more. All right, we just got out of church. My stomach is hungry. We're going. Shouldn't say where we're going. Somebody's gonna come stalk us.
Remember last time when we did that, Joy?
Did what?
And then we got 2 tacos and we couldn't eat it.
Oh yeah, they
So
were good.
1 taco. Everybody's gonna get
Everybody
one taco.
gets one taco. Everybody only gets one taco.
That's right.
Grocery list, it's like bread. Wait. Can you see that?
It's a little better, right?
Mom's paying the bill. Dropping Lily off at Logie's.
Look at Maggie.
She's old.
That's
Fun at your play date.
Maggie. Oh hey. Oh hey.
Oh girl. Oh girl.
Oh, look what I...
Came to Tractor Supply, my favorite store. I'm vlogging. Yeah, Mom. I love Tractor Supply. Uh-oh, guys. I'm about to drop some money. It's a candle. Y'all want to know the real reason I love Tractor Supply? I want to get a pocket knife one day, but today won't be the day. Rana, get out of here. Alright, here's the farm store haul because Mom spent $81, so we have to really appreciate the hauls. Pretzels, focaccia, is that how you pronounce it?
Yeah.
Granola, honey,
Local
wildflower honey, that was $20. Beef jerky, natural beef jerky. What? And I drank my Jersey Girls milk. Now my Tractor Supply haul. I got circus peanuts.
I want you to video you eating one.
I don't remember what they taste like because last time I had one was probably like 5. And if I don't like them, I'll just give them to Grandpa.
In a quarter mile.
And then I'll try those in a second. And then I had to get this little egg dish. It's so cute.
I ended up getting that.
It's gonna fall.
Okay, here's how I'm making myself feel better.
You supported local.
Yes.
Woo!
But besides that,
We are off-roading.
it's going to help our allergies with the local honey sickness. In the focaccia, we can like just eat the spaghetti that's still in the fridge and but pretend like it's a new meal, so I won't really have to buy dinner. We just have the bread. The granola will last for multiple meals with yogurt.
Ooh. The houses back here are really nice.
Very nice.
At first sniff, I don't even know what flavor this would be.
I know.
They're like squishy. I think I'm gonna
At the
enjoy
next
it.
stop
They
sign,
look like
turn left.
Ooh. And what do they say on them?
It's a bit bumpy.
Span
Shoot.
something. Okay. You better be holding it straight.
I'm trying. It's really shaky though.
Yum, yum. Love that texture.
They're not bad. You know what the ingredients are though?
Corn syrup.
Sugar, corn syrup, gelatin, artificial flavor, artificial colors, yellow 6, yellow 5, red 40.
Not one natural ingredient, right?
At the stop.
If you're ever playing with kinetic sand and you feel like eating it, just buy some circus peanuts. Okay, leaving the shower, I had like 4 cups of punch. I love punch. Going home now. I may or may not have fallen asleep for a couple hours, and it's currently 9:30. I had a headache and I was not feeling good, so I took a nap, and I'm about to take Benadryl, and I just put this essential oil roll-on all over, and this, because at Boat House last week I got chiggers from the woods and I've been in misery. Say hi. So this is my cookbook that I made a couple years ago, and I have not put any recipes in it, and I've been meaning to, so tonight I'm gonna write some. Don't know what happened to this piece of tape, but I want to have a little cookbook with just a bunch of handwritten recipes in it. I like my salmon drawing. It's my salmon. Okay, Lily's gonna try the peanuts.
Can you see me?
Yes.
Swedish candy do. These are bubs.
Ew, what's that sound? Like, I wouldn't pick them to eat, but they're not bad.
That tastes like a real banana.
A real banana? Why didn't you just say a banana?
Not ever pick it, but it's not like mom like freaks out.
What I want to do actually tonight,
That falls
I
apart.
want to paint. I'm really not feeling well, so I'm gonna go to sleep, but I try to read Psalms before I go to sleep. I'm reading through the whole book. And Sundays are so much more chill because we're trying to be more intentional with our time and make Sundays a rest day. The Lord's Day. So, yeah, but I'm gonna go to sleep. We had a commercial to shoot at work, but it got canceled, so now I'm going to my hair appointment. There's John. You ever just forget that? I need it because my hair is gonna get wet. You ever just forget that umbrellas exist? I'm sipping in a puddle. So shaky. Every single clip I've ever taken of you, I can't talk without coughing. Got to take my Depop packages. My glasses fog up every time I go out. Post haircut.
She's gonna see your video.
No, she's not. Okay, we are selling our clothes at Uptown, and
I'm freezing.
we have like a 2-hour wait.
Let's eat.
All right, we got our noodle soup. Look at this. Ooh, cut the noodles, cut the noodles. My hair has just gradually gotten so poofy throughout the day. Oh my goodness, I look like the girl from Up. So I was supposed to babysit tonight, but then it got canceled, so we're still out and about. Horsey! Horsey, horsey! She doesn't like her greasy hair. Sweet chicken. Okay, whoa! So, we in fact did not go to the movie tonight. Lily didn't want to, and I have content creating to do for authors. Let me give you a quick haul though. Okay, so I want to send my friend Emma a little fall basket. So I got some cinnamon tea, some lotion, and then this cute little mug. I meant package, not basket. Okay guys, now I found some good finds at Uptown Cheapskate. My hair did not hold the curls today. So when I find clothes that I like, I have to buy them because I like rarely ever, one, find clothes that I really like, and two, I am usually pretty frugal and don't buy a lot of things. So I found these jeans and they are like perfect fit on me, perfect. So I got those, and then these are actually cool and not ugly. These sneakers, they are actually Danish. They're Danish, okay? And then I got this Old Navy top. And then last but not least, oh, that's not last but not least, I got this little fall sweater, and I sold clothes at Uptown, so I made some money. And then I got some underwear, and then I got some heat protectant spray because I'm kind of digging this. I'm kind of digging this look. Good morning. I need to get up early and do content creating, and then I need to go to work. Okay, I'm about to leave. I just gotta get my soup for lunch. Leftovers, that looks so yummy. Okay. Gotta turn up the Toasty roster. Pass it around. We have Boathouse tonight, and it's so late because I just finished content creating. It is 12:46, so I'm hitting the hay. I had to wash my hair because it was not doing good. So this is how short it is. Say good night. Say good night. This old lady brought us some Texas trash she made. It's so good. This has been the hardest video to make because I keep running out of storage. I was playing guitar for like an hour and I needed a snack, so I got some gummy worms. And I'm gonna go to sleep because I finally I got all my work done, so I can go to sleep. I spoke too soon. My clothes are indeed in the washer. Hey guys. Say hi, Maple.
He was like, what are you washing? I think it's just Chapstick brand. That's a brand, right? I guess we tried it. And Dr. Pepper.
I got root beer and hot tamales.
I got Whoppers and Dr. Pepper.
Maple. So how do you feel about the fact that you're gonna be on the big screen in a minute?
I'm not.
You will.
No, I won't.
You will be up there.
No.
You'll have a big head up there on the screen.
No.
How's the director feeling?
I feel good.
We're going to sleep now. Good night.
I'm staying up late.
Frankie didn't win, but whatever. Good night.
Night.
Daisy's down there. And
I know. I get my feet.
Hope and Bryson are also in here.
No, I know. I'm 8 o'clock.
What?
Okay.
Daisy left me a little treat. Turn that way. Cookie log. Good morning. It is 9:15. I am going to the airport before work to get some breakfast because they have pancake breakfast this morning. So I'm going to stop by before I go to work. Oh, it's out. For lunch, I brought some pasta that I made the other day. It's so good. Brad brought a drink. Video's gonna get copyrighted. Ooh.
You want shoes?
Ooh.
Little poo lot.